Hello, my name is Brandon with MeetEdgar, and in this video, I'm going to help you jumpstart your library with MeetEdgar's default categories. To get you started, MeetEdgar provides several default categories to help organize your post library. These categories are based on the basic social media strategy that we use at MeetEdgar for our own social media marketing. They are a great place to start and then build upon with your own custom categories. The general category is a catch-all sort of category. If you're not sure where you should put a post, stick it in general. This can include posts from a random website you come across while surfing, a meme, or an image you want to share that doesn't quite fit in another category. The general category is included in random, which means content in this category will be used for random time slots on your schedule. This is MeetEdgar's main default category and cannot be edited or deleted. My blog post. This one is pretty self-explanatory. Use this category to store all your blog posts or other content from your website. You can even import your posts automatically with MeetEdgar's feeds, so your library is always up to date with your latest content. Don't have a blog? No worries. This category can be edited or deleted. Having a sell? Want to promote your class or webinar? Just want to link people on Facebook to your Twitter account so they can follow you? Use the promotional category to store all your self-promoting posts. But don't worry, these aren't taboo. How else would your followers find out that you're co-hosting an amazing Twitter chat next Tuesday? Promote away. Just be sure to mix those promos in with a good assortment of other types of posts using MeetEdgar's schedule to prevent promo fatigue. And last but not least, this category is for sharing other people's content, and we highly recommend you do this. The best social strategies aren't just about sharing your content, they're about publishing a mix of quality content from various sources so that your feeds stay fresh and provide value to your followers, which encourages them to engage more. Use recommended reads to share posts from other leaders in your industry, educational resources on topics relevant to your business, and anything you think your followers would benefit from seeing. This could be blog posts from industry blogs, podcasts, book recommendations, news, or anything else you'd like to share. And if you have any questions about this functionality, please don't hesitate to reach us at support@meetedgar.com.